Kinds of noun. Students, we have already learnt that noun is a naming word. Now, should we learn the kinds of nouns? Nouns can be classified into 5 categories. First, proper noun. Second, common noun. Third, collective noun. Fourth, material noun. And fifth, abstract noun. So, did you get that? Good. Now, let us learn about proper noun and common noun. But before that, let's read these sentences. Rita is a poor girl. John is a smart boy. Los Angeles is a big city. In all these sentences, Rita is the name of a particular girl, but girl is the common name of its class. John is the name of a particular boy, but boy is the common name of its class. Los Angeles is a name of a particular city, but city is a common name of its class. Did you get that? Thus, when a word denotes a particular name, it is called a proper noun. And when it denotes a common name of its class, it is a common noun. So, can we say that the definition can be: a proper noun is the name of some particular person or place. And a common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Now, look at this example once again. By learning the definition, we can say in this sentence, Rita is a proper noun, while girl is a common noun. John is a proper noun, while boy is a common noun. Los Angeles is a proper noun, while city is a common noun. Remember, students, a proper noun begins with a capital letter and it doesn't take any article. Whereas, common noun doesn't require a capital letter and it takes an article as a rule sometimes. Collective noun. To learn about collective noun, first shall we learn these examples? What do you say? All right. The crowd has no discipline. In this sentence, crowd is a collective noun because it states a collection of people, right? The army is formed with discipline. Here, army is a collective noun because it states a collection of soldiers. Anthony is the first boy in the class. Here, class is a collective noun because it states, you guessed it, a collection of students. You must watch the fleet. Here, fleet is a collective noun because it states a collection of armed ships. All these words, crowd, army, class, and fleet, in the above sentences refer to a group or collection of similar individuals or things taken as a whole. So, they are collective nouns. From all this, we can state the definition of collective noun. So, it is: a collective noun denotes a group or collection of similar individuals. Note: difference between a common noun and a collective noun. There may be many sheep in a field, but there is only one flock of sheep or birds. Here, sheep is a common noun because it may stand for any and every sheep. But flock is a collective noun because it stands for a group of sheep. So, now you must have understood that sheep is a common noun here and flock is a collective noun, as its state is the collection of the sheep. Material noun. Look at these examples. This ring is made of gold. This chair is made of wood. Please give me a glass of water. Now, in the above sentences, gold, wood, water are material nouns because they all refer to some matter of substance. Now, material noun can be placed in groups as follows. First, the group of metals like iron, gold, platinum, etc. Second, products spoken of in bulk like tea, sugar, rice, wheat, etc. Third, geological body like mud, sand, granite, rock, stone, etc. Fourth, natural phenomena like rain, dew, cloud, frost, mist, etc. Fifth, various manufactures like cloth, potash, soap, rubber, pen, etc. Now, students, don't get confused between common noun and material noun. For instance, in these three examples, ring, chair and glass is common noun. But gold, wood, water is material noun. As we said before, they refer to some matter or substance. But if we say glass is transparent, the glass would be a material noun because here it doesn't denote the container but denotes the matter of substance. Understand? Similarly, the tree is a common noun, but wood is a material noun. The sheep is a common noun, but mutton is a material noun.
Abstract noun. Read the following sentences. Honesty is the best policy. Kindness is a great virtue. He burst into laughter. In the above sentences, honesty, kindness, laughter are abstract nouns because they denote the names of some quality, action, or state. An abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, action, or state considered apart from the object to which it belongs. Wren and Martin. Quality: kindness, brightness, honesty, beauty, bravery, wisdom, etc. Action: laughter, movement, judgment, which may be spelled Judgment or Judgement, etc. State: boyhood, childhood, youth, slavery, etc. Abstract noun relates to qualities, states, or action which cannot be seen or touched. J.C. Nesfield. Note: thus we see that 4 kinds of nouns, proper, common, collective, and material, previously described, relate to objects of sense that can be seen or touched. But an abstract noun refers to qualities, states, or action that cannot be seen or touched. It can only be felt. We know that a stone is hard. We know that iron is hard. We also know that a brick is hard. We can therefore speak of hardness apart from stone or iron or brick or any other object having the same quality. The names of subjects of arts and sciences are also abstract nouns. Example: physics, chemistry, philosophy, geography, etc. Abstract nouns are formed: A. from adjectives, kindness from kind, honesty from honest. B. from verbs, arrival from arrive, growth from grow. C. from common nouns, childhood from child, slavery from slave. Gerund, simple infinitive, and abstract noun. The gerunds and the simple infinitives of verbs are in fact not in form kinds of abstract nouns. The following sentences all mean the same thing. Service is better than idleness. Abstract noun. Serving is better than idleness. Gerund. To serve is better than idleness. Infinitive. Note: no article is usually used before an abstract noun, but when it is specified, it takes the definite article the. Kindness is a great virtue, but the kindness of Vidyasagar is known to all. Gerund and verbal noun. A gerund is that form of the verb which ends in ing and has the force of a noun and a verb. Wren and Martin. As both the gerund and the infinitive have the force of a noun and a verb, they have the same uses. Thus, in many sentences, either of them may be used without any special difference in meaning. Wren and Martin. Here are some examples. Infinitive and gerund. The infinitive is, teach me how to swim. Gerund, teach me swimming. Infinitive, to see is to believe. Gerund, seeing is believing. Infinitive, to walk is a good exercise. Gerund, walking is a good exercise. Infinitive, to give is better than to receive. Gerund, giving is better than receiving. Formation of abstract nouns. Abstract nouns formed from adjectives. Here are adjectives and their abstract nouns. Brave, bravery. Dark, darkness. Deep, depth. False, falsehood. Great, greatness. High, height. Honest, honesty. Kind, kindness. Long, length. Short, shortage. True, truth. Wide, width. Abstract nouns formed from common nouns. Here are common nouns and abstract nouns formed from them. Agent, agency. Boy, boyhood. Child, childhood. Friend, friendship, hero, heroism, king, kingship, mother, motherhood, priest, priesthood. Abstract nouns formed from verbs. Verb, an abstract noun. Admit, admission. Agree, agreement. Behave, behavior. Believe, belief. Die, death. Enter, entrance. Fail, failure. Grow, growth. Obey, obedience. Think, thought. Note, there are some abstract nouns which are of the same form as verbs. Desire, hope, laugh, love, taste, etc. Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.